It's not too cold. And there's activity. Somebody's even finding a little bit of pollen. And they're still finding some resources. So, boy, they're already buzzing towards it. They can smell it. So, what I did is I waxed everything. The beeswax. And I made some candy. And this top stuff is a little bit soft. It's a couple layers. It hardens up pretty quick, even though it kind of goes in kind of gelatinous. And I got paper under there, and we'll see how they like it. Because these bees like to eat me. At least they did the last time I went out here and fooled with them. They tried to eat me. I just want to do this real quick dealio. There's still some candy up here. I'm going to get rid of that. Now there's a ball of bees right there. Throw that on there. Throw that back on there. And boy, almost looks like super. And here they come. They're coming out because they don't like me. These ungrateful bees. All right, well, I got all dressed up for that, and here they come. These guys are a little angry again. It's always fun. Here they come. We're going to have to see how their temperament is next year. Oh, I think they already found the dead cat. But they like to get angry. Alright. I gotta go run around the yard and shake these guys again. Well, talk to you later.